In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Hubstaff plan. Whether you're looking to access more features or accommodate a growing team, upgrading your Hubstaff plan is a straightforward process, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step. To get started, open your Hubstaff dashboard. At the top of the page, you'll see various icons, but what you want to look for is the organization icon, which is usually shaped like a building or a group of people. This icon represents the hub of your operations on Hubstaff, where you can manage settings and view all related information. Give it a click to reveal a menu specific to your organization. Once you're in the organization menu, look for the word Action or an Action button. This is your gateway to controlling various administrative tasks within Hubstaff. Click on this to expand a list of options that relate directly to managing your organization. This structure is designed to keep related tasks centralized and intuitive, ensuring you can find the needed features without much hassle. The next step is to manage your billing information, which is crucial for upgrading your plan. In the list that has expanded from the Action button, find the option labeled Manage Billing. Clicking on Manage Billing takes you to the section where all your billing information and current plan details are displayed. This area is also where you make any changes related to your subscription. At this point, it might be useful to have your payment information ready, especially if you're upgrading to a plan that requires a higher rate. In the billing section, you'll find various plans available. Hubstaff offers multiple tiers, allowing you to select the one that best fits your current needs. Each plan is usually clearly labeled with its features and pricing, so take a moment to compare them and decide which one aligns with your needs. For example, if you're looking for advanced reporting or more user seats, these are factors to consider when choosing a plan. After selecting the plan that suits your needs, confirm your selection. The interface should guide you effortlessly through the process, possibly prompting you to re-enter or confirm your billing details. This is a standard step to ensure the billing information is up to date and secure. Once confirmed, you should see a notification or message indicating that the upgrade was successful. And that's it! You've successfully upgraded your Hubstaff plan. Remember, if at any point you encounter issues or have questions, Hubstaff's support team is a great resource for help. They can guide you further and offer solutions should you run into any snags during the upgrade process. Enjoy the enhanced functionality and flexibility of your new Hubstaff plan, and as always, thanks for watching.